Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious stovetop enchiladas. We'll start by gathering all our fresh ingredients, from soft corn tortillas to your preferred protein and plenty of cheese. Next, we'll prepare a vibrant, homemade enchilada sauce, or you can opt for a high-quality store-bought version to save time. Having a large skillet ready will make the assembly process smooth and efficient. Let's get cooking. Now let's focus on the heart of our enchiladas, the sauce and filling. If you're making sauce from scratch, let it simmer gently for at least 15 minutes to allow the flavors to meld beautifully. While that's happening, cook your filling. Whether it's seasoned ground beef, tender shredded chicken, or a hearty vegetable mix, ensure it's ready. Don't forget to shred about 2 cups of your favorite cheese like Monterey Jack for that perfect gooey texture. Time to assemble our delicious enchiladas. First, lightly dip each corn tortilla into your warm enchilada sauce. This makes them pliable and adds flavor. Then spoon in your filling and a sprinkle of cheese, rolling each tortilla tightly. Carefully arrange these rolled enchiladas in a single layer in your large skillet. Pour any remaining sauce generously over the top, ensuring every enchilada is covered, and then sprinkle with the rest of your shredded cheese. Almost ready. The final step is cooking these beauties. Cover your skillet and let them simmer on medium-low heat for about 10 to 15 minutes, or until the cheese is perfectly melted and bubbly. Once done, carefully remove them from the heat. Garnish your stovetop enchiladas with fresh cilantro, diced red onions, or a dollop of cool sour cream for an extra burst of flavor. They are now ready to be served and enjoyed. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book about money, plus other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.